Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today we will do a very important topic, that is percentage. Today we are going to do a very important topic, percentage. Percentage is another method of comparing quantities. Percent means per 100, out of 100. Percentage is a number or a ratio expressed as a fraction whose denominator is 100. Percentage is a fraction or a ratio, you can say, with the denominator 100. The symbol for percentage is this. For example, 5%, or you can say 5 out of 100 or 1 by 20, or in decimal form you can say 0.05. This is in ratio form. So I hope the symbol of percentage and meaning of percentage is clear to you. So now we will learn how to convert a fraction to a percentage. How to convert a fraction to a percentage. To convert a fraction to a percentage, make denominator 100 and put this symbol. For example, 1 by 4 is given to you and you have to convert it into how percentage of the whole. So we will make the denominator 100 by multiplying it with 25, or you can say equivalent fraction. 25 by 100, you can say 25%. Next, one more example, 5 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6 multiply by 100. Why I have done? Because I need 100 as denominator. And if we multiply any number with any number, we will not get 100. So we need 100, 6, 3. So here 100, we will keep this 100 to make a symbol of percentage. 5 into 100 or 6. Also you can cut by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 50 is 100. 250 by 3. We will divide this. We will get 83 1 by 3 and we will put the percentage symbol. So this like this also you can convert a fraction into a percentage. Next topic is converting a decimal to a percentage. When we have a decimal number, we have to change into a percentage. To convert a decimal to a percentage, multiply the decimal by 100 and place this percentage symbol. For example, I have 0.65. So what we will do, we will multiply with 100 and we will put the percentage symbol. So it will be 65%. 10.05. 10.05 into 100. So 100, 1005 and percentage. So and next is converting a percentage to a fraction or a decimal. When we have percentage with us and we have to change that into a fraction or a decimal, remove the percentage sign and express the number with denominator 100. Remove the sign and divide with 100. For example, 20%. Remove this 20 by 100, or you can say 1 by 5. 35%. 30 by 5 by 100, 0.35. So I hope it is clear to you. Finding the percentage of a given quantity. Okay, for example, 10% of rupees 45. This is the given quantity and we have to find 10% of it. 45 and it's 10%. So 10 divide by 100, we will remove this sign, and of we will remove with multiplication and 45. We all know to remove the percentage we divide with 100 and of is replaced with multiplication. So 10 by 100 into 45, or you can say rupees 4.50. Rupees 4 and 50 paise will be the 10% of rupees 45. So to find a certain percentage of given quantity, express percentage as fraction out of 100 and multiply it with the given quantity. So let's discuss more about it by solving the problems based on percentage and fraction and decimal.